नमस्कार। मैं प्रीतिश कुलकर्णी आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं आज के हमारे डिस्कशन में, जिसका हेडिंग है व्हाई बायोलॉजी। यस, आई टेक अ पॉज। इज देयर एनी सच नेसेसिटी टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई बायोलॉजी? Obviously not, because as you all know, this is one of the subject like there is physics, like there is chemistry, like there is maths, and then lastly comes biology. You know, from many years it's a trend, PCMB. First preference is physics, then chemistry, then maths, and then last is biology. So yes, our subject comes to the last, but it is not that much boring as we think. Not at all. Biology is one of the interesting subject. It's a study of life. It's a study of life form, plants, animals, humans, microbes. It's very interesting. देखो, हर सब्जेक्ट का अपना एक खुद का ब्यूटी होता है। हर सब्जेक्ट, फिजिक्स बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, केमिस्ट्री बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैथ्स है, सेम लाइक दैट बायोलॉजी में भी उसका एक अलग सा ब्यूटी है। यस, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू why you should think of taking biology. Because till now there is a trend कि there are two things. When you come to class 11, you will be asked, you want to take maths or biology? And because of this, you know, some people think that there is a rival between maths and biology people. It is not at all like that. No, we all are good friends. It's, you know, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, they all are equal. So there is no rival in between maths and biology. Rather, I will request government also to keep all four subjects compulsory. Physics, chemistry, maths and biology, keep all subjects compulsory, so that student also will learn what is there in biology. Students, you know, in the recent days we are facing a problem of corona pandemic, and now we are realizing कि why our medical field is not that much developed, why we are not able to control the things. Why? Because we are not having that much medication or medical facilities, or there are no students we have taken biology as a subject. Yes, there are doctors, there are some warriors, nurses and all, but their number is limited. So I request you all, future generation students, come forward and opt biology as a subject, because we need you people. As I am a biology educator, I will have the promotion of my subject, biology, how it is interesting. And yes, guys, today we are going to discuss why we should learn biology. And as you know, that with me, you are going to learn biology with fun, with several mnemonics and tricks. So today I am going to tell you why you should opt biology in class 11th and 12th, and then what you can have the options available to you people after you complete your class 12th. So without wasting much time, let's come to the main topic, why biology. So guys, as you know that when you take biology, there are three things in front of us. You know, we are here to learn and then to earn. So our everyone's same goal is to earn money. So, by taking a proper education in biology, you can learn as well as you can earn. So, हमारे यहाँ पहले से बहुत एक ट्रेंड था, हर 10 साल में एक एक करियर ऐसे होता है, बूम, लाइक इंजीनियरिंग, पहले ऐसे कुछ था, कंप्यूटर का इन्वेंशन हुआ, उसके बाद आईटी, आफ्टर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर राजीव गांधी, then there is the boom in master of business administration, MBA. So likewise in our India, if after every 10 years the mood of students changes, and everybody run like you, it's like if somebody is taking MBA, so the crowd will go in that direction. If somebody is taking IT computer, so all crowd will go towards that. But yes, in all these, biology sector is running constantly. It is not going up, it is not going down, it is going steadily. But yes, there are much opportunities in biology, and that only we are going to discuss in today's session. So as you know that when the term comes biology, everybody has the thing in mind कि biology means medical. Yes, it is correct. So those students take biology, they mostly go for the field which is medical field. And guys, there is one very important national level medical entrance exam for it. National entrance for the medical exam. So you have to give national entrance eligibility test. So guys, NEET examination will prepare you to take admission in the medical course. And yes, I have written the all courses which are available in medical field. So you can look after this. See, when I was a biology student, I also having a dream of going to medical field, MBBS and all. Due to some some examinations and all, we can go for this, we couldn't go for this, but yes, you can have the dream of going for the course MBBS. Yes, it is one of the reputed course, that, and today's day we need much doctors. So I will recommend you, I will request you, yes, you should join this particular course MBBS. Then comes BDS, dental. This one is for allopathy, this one is for dental. Third one, very reputed, that is BMS, Ayurvedic. Then the next one is homeopathy. Next one is Unani. Now guys, up to this it is okay, but many students think that we will not go for physiotherapy. It is not good. No, I will recommend you, you can opt for physiotherapy as well. It's one of the good course, and yes, it is needed. You can become a coach, for some cricket team, for some football team. You can go for some treatment of some old age people. Yes, it is one of the main very important course. Then the next one is Bachelor of Veterinary Science. Many of us think it's not good course, but I will tell you, nowadays after MBBS, the best merit gets closed for this course, veterinary. So this is one of the most important course where you should opt for. When you enter biology, yes, you can go for veterinary science. The last one is very interesting, audiology and language speech pathology. So guys, it is also one of the most important course, audiology, speech and language pathology, where you have a very bright future. So all these are the medical courses which are directly linked with the medicine. But there are certain other courses paramedical courses and allied health sciences which are linked with medicine, or which are linked with the courses of medical field. Yes, means if you are working in a particular hospital, you must have seen there is a need of certain technicians. So it may be possible that as we are not having good marks in NEET, in board examination, so we couldn't get admission over here. You can opt for these courses. They are also good. They are equally important. Okay, with respect to earning, fine, you will not earn like these people are, but yes, you can go for these courses as well. One is dialysis, ECG, X-ray technician. Yes, they are also good. Then second one is operation theatre technician. So you can help doctors while doing the operations and all. This is all about the paramedical courses, which are running parallelly with the medical fields. The third one is allied health sciences. Yes, it is one of the very important course. Again, helping hand to the doctors. When I am saying medical world or health sciences, it is linked with these fields. So the third one is pharmacy. In yesterday's session also I told you, nowadays the demand for pharmacist is like anything. So pharmacy field is one of the best field, and yes, you know, it is lifelong. It is not going to stop. Our population is so increasing day by day. We are going to need proper medication. Along with that, we need proper medicines. And yes, pharmacy, never ending branch. You can go for B pharmacy, you can go for M pharmacy. There are very much reputed industries in our India, outside also. There is Cipla, there is Lupin, there is Glenmark, there is Glaxo, Dr. Reddy. There are much Biocon. Yes, you can work in all the industries. Then the next course is nursing. Especially I will recommend the course for girls. It's not like that boys should not go for it. Yes, you all. But yes, BSc nursing is also one of the good course. You know, yesterday or day before yesterday only we celebrated World Nurse Day. Yes, they are the warriors in the present day situation. Very good course. The third one is Bachelor in Medical Lab Technician Technology. So yes, there is diploma also, there is bachelor also, a master's also. So by doing this course, you can have a setup of your own lab for checking the samples which are collected from the hospitals. One of the good course, Bachelor of Medical Lab Technician. So this is all about the medical course and its associated courses where you can enter. Now, as biology word comes in our mind, medical field is fixed. But what? If we couldn't get good marks in NEET and not got admission anywhere, then what? Should we like sit as it is? No, not at all. See, these all are the courses based upon one and only one examination, NEET. It's a national level examination. The earlier one there was a CET, but nowadays there is national level NEET examination for getting admission to all these courses. These are based upon 12th marks. So you can take admission to these courses on the basis of class 12, and if not, then you can go for these particular courses which I have written, non-medical courses. So apart from the medical field, you can enter in these courses as well, which are considered as non-medical courses. So under this, the first one is BTech. You can go for BTech in biomedical engineering. You can go for BTech in agriculture. Yes, it has a vast scope. If you go to many agricultural universities, especially Rauri Krushi Vidyapit, there they are giving the preparation for civil services examination as well. So you can go for the same after doing BTech or BSc in agriculture. Very important course. This you can go only after getting biology as a subject in class 11th and 12th. The second one is BSc in life sciences. Now I have not written here all courses because we used to consider it as a life science or biological science, which includes botany, zoology, microbiology. So guys, please take a note of this. These three are the major branches: botany, zoology, microbiology. You can make career in any of the branch. You can go for BSc, MSc, you can go for MPhil, PhD and all, anything. So life sciences, one of the best course. Then secondly, you can go for BSc nutrition. You know that nowadays we are very much health conscious. Yes, it will help you a lot. You can guide some people according to their diet plans. So BSc Nutrition is one of the most important course which is needed in all hospitals. So this is one of the very important course. Third one is, you may be like, you may think, "Ki where I have written BA Psychology, how? You are telling biology and then?" Yes, BA Psychology is also one of the course which you can opt after getting 11th and 12th biology. Class 11, 12 arts, commerce students also can come for this course, but after doing biology also you can go for BA in Psychology. After this, you can work as a counselor. You can work in any school, colleges, or you can work in any hospital just to have the mental health checkup of the patient. So it's one of the very, very important course, BA in Psychology. Fourth one is BSc in Fermentation Technology. You know guys, nowadays fermentation industries are very much strong, which prepare specially fermented products. So alcohol, beer, wine, vodka, rum, and etc. All the fermented products. Fermentation industry is very important industry which has good earnings. So BSc in Fermentation Technology, or you can go for the Fermentation Technology course anywhere. One of the most reputed course. And the last one is research. Before this, there are some students who are interested in some kind of thing like like the criminal cases and all. So I will recommend one course for them, that is the forensic sciences. So if you are interested literally in this course, yes, you can go for forensic science. And last but not least, the fifth one is research. See, research is one of the most important thing which is there in biology. So there are many areas where research is going on. In botany, zoology, microbiology, there are certain diseases like cancer, AIDS, where scientists are trying to find some antibiotics, antivirals, then vaccine preparation and all. So biology has open-ended research opportunities. And guys, there are various institutes which gives lots of fund. So yes, now every biology student has one thing in their mind, कि I want to have doctor before my name. Yes, if you become MBBS, BDS, you will become doctor, and if not by this, you will become doctor by achieving doctorate degree. After that, you can go for postdoctorate research as well. It's up to you how much you want to do research, how much you want to go further. So students, this is all about biology. After telling you all these things, I don't think so you will have the fear of taking biology as a subject in class 11th and 12th. Many students think that biology is very simple. Yes, it is very simple. But if you learn biology with a very cool, calm and quiet way, and with some tricks, mnemonics, and in a very simplified way, I will tell you, you can take entry in this as well as you can go here. You should keep option with you. Score good marks in NEET, get admitted over here, or score good marks in NEET and then only if you're interested in this field, go here. So guys, I hope you must have understood why biology. So I'm very much thankful to you for watching the video. Thank you once again.